just on toast open, or do you want
Is that yummy? Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Say, my name's Violet.
I'm Violet.
Say, I'm the best.
I'm the best.
awesome?
Yeah.
Say, I'm gorgeous.
I'm gorgeous.
And what are you eating?
Hi.
Say, Muzz bar slice.
I'm nice.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
How many pieces do you have left?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. Can you say in Spanish?
Cinco.
No, un, dos. Tell mummy.
3, 1 more.
And what's your full name?
This is thank you.
And what's your sister's name?
This is thank you.
What's my name?
Uncle Betty.
Uncle Betty is the best.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Go. Mwah. And what's Eleanor doing? Say hello. Yes, she can. That's right. When Eleanor grows up, she can say hello.
Yeah.
And how do you say hello in Spanish?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Hola.
Say hola.
Hola.
Hey, Bubba, can you count to 10 in Spanish?
Cinco.
That's 5, baby.
No, Bubba,
Start
go.
with un.
Go from un.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay!
Over.
Say bye, everybody.
Say adios.
Adios.
Say adios, amigos.
Bye, amigos.